Okay, y'all. So it turns out these fucking people are still here. Like they still stay here behind this here car that just pulled up with the headlights on. So yeah, it's the truck right there, that Ford F-150. So why is all these people down here with no damn shirt on? Nobody want to see that shit. Damn, I ain't even see them standing out there. But y'all, like I was saying, it's just a lot of fucking people up here. Yeah, I'm telling you, if I find a cheap apartment in Kansas, bitch, yes. Olathe, Kansas, hell yes. Olathe. Woo. And then these screen is on the ground, honey. I'm gonna see if I can get some M&M's from him. That's it. But yeah, that's it. Is y'all here? I do not understand what that means. Oh, at the washer? I didn't see y'all in the washer, bro. Trust me, she would have made it known. It should have been in the washer. Anybody? Get off me. If y'all not here, then I understand. But close your blinds. Y'all, these shorts are up. Nobody? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. One more time, because I want some M&M's. Other than that, that's it. Because y'all see my shadow. I think I might have waited too late. I think I might have. I don't know, because... Okay, I waited. So I'm finna go. I tried and I waited long enough. Y'all must not be there or must be asleep or something. I don't know, honey. I don't know. So I'm going this way. No, I'll go this way. I honestly really don't want to, but yeah. So wait, y'all ain't there? I think I might have waited too long, but oh well. I don't need nothing really sweet anyway. My teeth hurt, and my teeth don't start hurting again, honey. But yeah, let me take my ass in this house. But my hair all messed up and hijacked and shit. They got they putting lead on people's shit. That's like the second or third vehicle I done seen with a note on it that say, "Dear neighbor." That little boy need to get his ass off the streets before he end up getting hit. I hope not, but he needs to get up off that street. Ooh, thank you, baby, for getting out that street. Hello. Fine, how you doing? Let me go up here and see. Did anything get left up in here? Is there anything more left up in here? Yeah. If I had a bra or something, I would seriously walk to the comp store, but I don't feel like it. So, no, I'm gonna try one more again after I come from up here. Like I say, I passed by the washer, didn't see her. I mean, she could have said something because I passed by the washer cereal. Anything up in this bitch? Yeah, y'all, nothing in there. Thank y'all for stacking this shit nicely. shit be so damn annoying. You get mail, they put it in the wrong mailbox. But nobody says anything. That's some shit you have to find out on your own, honey. On your own. Hector Dominguez. It's the Dominguez again. Rivera Dominguez. Maya Rivera Mendoza Dominguez. That's a lot of damn names. Like, I don't know why these people have all these goddamn names. I wonder what happened to that Mexican bitch with that ankle bracelet on her that wanted to fight for no damn reason. Come out raising her breast with no, got her shirt on with no bra. Come out to wash her tail, raising her breast like, bitch, want to fight? Bitch, what you want to fight for? Like, can you please tell the bitch what the fuck you got going on in your head, you crazy fat bitch? Look at that pool, got all the little flecks on top of it. That's nasty. That is nasty. But yeah, I'm supposed to go back one more time. They should have put them right here. We can go to the door, get it, and go back to your house. Y'all, if I did move from over here and still stayed in Houston, I'll drive all the way back over here with the gate car coming down. Or catch somebody coming in and go to their house. But you're going to have to make sure you have somebody in your car. Because as soon as you get out, they're going to have a tow truck right behind you trying to get that bitch out. And hell no, you take my shit and put my foot in your ass. That's all I'm saying. And these people up here in the 6th building right up here got their windows up. Like you got, and then a piece of slab missing. Is y'all crazy? Y'all crazy as hell. But they say, you can't have nothing on your porch. But the black people can't have nothing on their porch. But if you dating Hispanic, you can have something on your porch. I have y'all lost y'all mind. We can't have nothing on our porch, but look. Look. Under these stairs. That is so ridiculous. Like, senora, I did not see you in that Washington list. I did not see you, sweetie. Sorry. Okay, I don't think they say like, y'all need to close them blinds in, sweetheart. Y'all need to close them blinds. Because I don't think y'all there. Or they sleep. But I find me something. I don't know what. Now I really got a sweet tooth. Like I say, y'all. If I ever had to move back over here, y'all know what I say. Y'all gonna put me not on this side, but somewhere. Not only y'all gonna put me on the other side, y'all gonna put me somewhere else facing the parking lot. Somewhere I can see my motherfucking car. Like, I'm not playing with y'all. Y'all not supposed to put me in this motherfucker over here. I don't give two shits and a good gold green goose egg fuck. I thought they didn't stay there no more. Y'all just seen him go up them stairs. But he don't stay there no more. What the fuck was y'all doing in this man's house then? That's what I would like to know. Hey, Mr. Elmo. That's exactly what I would like to know. Why the hell y'all was in this man's house? If oh, they was moving furniture around. Ain't no, but they just not got there. What in the fuck? But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Bye, guys.